guys, if you guys want to see how I take this from a day to night look, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so before I begin, I just wanted to say hi. My name is Be Messy, and I do beauty and cleaning inspiration here on YouTube. Today is my very first tutorial type of video, and I wanted to do a day to night look. Today I'm going to be posting the day look, and then tomorrow, or not tomorrow, and then in a few days I'll be posting the night look, which is actually what I have on my eyes right now. So if you want to see how I do a day look with this palette, go ahead and keep watching, and then subscribe so you don't miss the other parts of the video. Alright, so the very first shade I'm going to be using is going to be Jamocha, which is right there in this palette. And I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush that looks like this, just into the crease. So I'm just going to open my eye and look down, and then we'll get to blending. And I have already primed my eyelids with my eye primer that I use. I use Lorac because that is the only thing that seems to make my eyeshadow stay on all day long. I've tried a lot of different ones, so I wanted that one. And now I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush and blending that out. And as you can see, it's crazy how much that just blended out. To finish this up, I'm just going to take my finger and go in with the shade Ginger and apply this all over the lid. Alright. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to be taking that same Jamocha shade, this one right here, take a little bit on a small pencil brush. So, small pencil brush if that could focus. And what we are going to do is we are going to just go ahead and look up, and then smudge it. Okay. This eye can't look up. So I'm going to look up, and you're not going to see it, but trust me, I'm looking up. So, alrighty. And that is about all that I'm going to do for the day look. Now, if I wanted to, obviously, I like some eyeliner. If you don't like eyeliner, you don't have to do this next step. But I'm going to be taking my Colourpop liner in Stew. It's a nice mocha shade on an angled brush. This is just a Eco Tools liner, and then line my eyelids with it. So, I'm going to try to do this in frame. Oh, we're out of focus. Come on. Staying in frame. And then I'm going to take a little bit on the bottom because that's how I like it. You do not have to do this at all if you don't want to. Alright, and that is the day look. Alright guys, this is the finished eye look. If you want to see how I take this look to a night look, I will have an info card above, and you'll see that in the next video. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the day look. If you want to see how to take this into a night look using the same Colourpop palette, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see that video, and I will go ahead and link that in the bottom bar below once it is uploaded. But stay tuned for that. It's going to be coming soon, and make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified when that video is uploaded, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!